Sean, you're supposed to actually dance. Go ahead, dance, boy, dance. Dance, Sean, dance. Dance, Sean, dance. Dance, Sean, dance. Dance, 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 Sean, dance. Dance. Just dance. You can play music on your phone and dance to it as you do it again. You were too close to me.
Let's go to the escalator.
Alright, you have to go ahead of me though, because if we're too close, I'm not gonna be able to get it. And then we're gonna go down the escalator, okay? Alright, just making sure you know. Sean, what happened? Keep going. Shake your butt a little more. Shake your butt a little more. Shake it. I'm kidding. Oh my god. You're dancing to no music. You know how awesome that is? What are you doing? Can someone tell me why this is so entertaining just to watch? Alright, Sean, you're done. Say bye. Sean, say bye. Huh? Say bye. That's not safe. Say bye.